In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Asana. This is a straightforward process that allows you to break down your tasks into more manageable pieces, perfect for enhancing productivity and keeping track of detailed task lists. Let's dive right in and start by heading over to the Asana website. Once there, you'll notice a login option located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. If you're not already logged in or using Asana for the first time, you might need to sign up. But today, we're focusing on logging in, so click on Continue with Google. This is a really convenient option if you have a Google account, as it makes logging in much faster and smoother. Once you click that, choose the account you use for your Asana projects. Now that you're logged in, let's locate your project. Look at the left panel of your dashboard. You'll see a list of your projects. Simply click on the project where you want to add a subtask. Navigating through this panel is important as it holds all your organized workspaces. Once in the project, find the specific task where you'd like to add a subtask. Click on it. You'll see the task details open up on the right side of your screen. This feature allows you to see everything that has been lined up for that particular task, providing a clear overview. Within the task details, look for the Add Subtask button. This is typically found under the task title. Clicking on it will open a new field where you can type in your subtask name. This is where you break down your tasks. Perhaps you need to divide a larger project such as content creation into drafting, editing, and approving stages. Using subtasks helps in allocating these mini milestones to different team members or setting distinct deadlines for each vital piece of your project. Type in the subtask you want to create. Be concise yet descriptive, ensuring the task is easily understandable. For example, instead of just typing draft, you could specify draft social media content for week 1. This specificity helps in minimizing confusion and keeps team collaboration seamless. And there you have it. Creating a subtask in Asana is as simple as that. These subtasks can be further managed by assigning them to team members, setting due dates, or even creating additional nested subtasks if needed. This method of task management helps in organizing your workload systematically, thereby improving efficiency and productivity. Be sure to utilize these features to keep your work streamlined and your projects on track. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a more organized task list with your new subtasks.